Hello again, just a quick video. I've not got me action camera with me for this one. So it's a Fiat Grande Punto on a 5606 plate. So if your windows won't go up and down both sides, it's usually the wiring on this plug. Goes through the door. Goes through the door, and that is the plug there. So it just fits through that hole with a rubber bung. So all I've done is, you see, it's had a previous repair done to it. So all I'm going to do now is put some solder on them, add some wire into it rather than make the wires shorter, so we'll lengthen the wires so it gets a bit more length on them. But if you can feel the wire, it's a bit hard, and just because it's been shaped and it's been that way for a long time. Pardon me. So yeah, so you're left with your 4 there, or 5 there, yeah, 5 there. So a bit of solder on them, add wire to them, heat shrink, and then wire to them. Yeah. Well, the wiring was that bad. I couldn't get the solder to stick. Otherwise, it'd mean putting a new door loom or a better conditioned door loom on with the wire. So the easiest thing to do was to trace back the wires a little bit further than before, was kind of a bit better, cleaner, copper coloured wire, and just put some normal connections on. So I've got heat shrink over the top of them, and then I'll run some insulation tape and make it look like a proper loom again. So yeah, that's pretty much it. So before the passenger side window wouldn't go up, would go down, wouldn't go up. So I should show you here now. Well, plug that in, ignition's on. So hang on a second, plug that loom back in. So I'm plugging these in one-handed. There we go. So what it was doing, drivers, so passengers going down, passenger up, so that's working as it should. Drivers on up and down, and the auto wing mirrors are also working as well. That's it. Sometimes they fail on switches or the window regulators, the cable will snap, but more likely it's the wiring looms in between the doors. Yeah, that's it. Please leave a like, subscribe if you like the content and want to see more of the content. If you do, please leave a thumbs down and let me know in the comments as to why you didn't like it. Thanks for watching.